Alright everyone, I am going to try to do a start to finish Sierra chart installation. Okay, so one of the first things you have to do is go out to your portal on StoneX, and in StoneX at yourstonex.com you're going to have a number like this. You have to take it down and remember it. You're going to have your live account ID and password. Your ID is usually going to be something, whatever your email address is, and your password is going to be that minimum 14 character password. Okay. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to need to go to this page within StoneX. You can read the link right here, or I'll give you the link. Come down here to where it says Sierra chart. Turn it on right there. You got to enable it right there. Subscribe to enable it right there. That will make your account enabled for Sierra charts. Okay, then you can download the demo or the live. It doesn't really matter. It's the same thing. So I'm just going to download. I'll go with the live right here. All right. Now I don't have this downloaded on this computer yet, so here it is. It's going to prompt me to put all this information in, and you see it's got a 14-day trial down here. Okay, and what that's going to do is give you this Sierra chart file downloader thing right here. All right, now I don't have Sierra chart on this computer yet, so I'm just going to double click that and open it up. Okay, now that brings up this little window. A couple things to notice about this is it's going to stick you right in C:\Sierra chart, and the stuff is going to go into data. Now, you don't want the current version. Okay, what you want to do is choose specific version right here and do 2416. Alright, that's the version you want. Then hit install and let it install. Okay, the installation is now complete. Now that took a solid 10 minutes. It looks like it gets stuck for a while there. You just got to wait it out. Okay, so installation is complete. I can close this. Okay, so now it's prompting me to fill this out with the account name and password, but you're not ready for that yet. So just hit cancel on this. Okay, cancel on that for right now. Eventually you can do force login and do all that stuff. But for right now, we hit cancel on that. Okay. Okay, so the next thing we have to do is go here to this page and create your Sierra chart account. Alright, you have to go in there and create your free account. The same account can later become a paid account, is what it says. Alright, okay, so to create an account, you come over here to create account, click on that, and it's going to bring you this page. You enter an email address, you hit proceed, and then you're going to give yourself a name. Okay, like this. Okay, do that. Then the email address has been found, already been found, so I gotta go in there. I've already used that one, but anyway, you go in there and create your account like that. Okay, so once you've created your account, mine is Michael CFRN. Once you've created your account, log into it. All right, now you've gotten this far, so log into your account, and then you're gonna open up Sierra chart. You might recall we were at this screen a few minutes ago and I said we weren't ready for that yet. Okay, it's because we need to create this account. So whatever account you created, mine is Michael CFRN. Put that in, put your password in. Now, I put in my name and password. I'm going to hit force login there too. Okay, then I'll hit login and it should log me right in. Okay, and so this is what it looks like when it logs you in. Now, it looks like it carried some of my data over because I'm connected completely right here. But what you're going to have to do, and I'll show you, remember that number that I told you had to go to get from your portal earlier? You're going to need to go here to File, Data Trade Service Settings, and that's going to bring up this thing right here. Now, in here, this is by default, it's set to this SC All Data Service. Okay, so it's not set. So you're going to come in here now and click that and go to Gain OEC Trading. Okay, and now once you got Gain OEC Trading in there, then you want to do server list. You want to do the prod gain futures. All right, in here put in your username, whatever your username, and it's going to be what you log into production with, what you log into your live account, like something 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 at gmail.com. Whatever your password is, put that in there. And this one is the one you got from the portal. Remember that number that I showed you from the portal a few minutes ago? It was this one right here. That's what you're going to put in this field right here. Okay? Once you put all that in those fields, then it will be able to make a connection. Right now it's connected to this SCS thing. That's not the real connection. That's why you don't have any data or chart showing right now. Okay? So again, in here, you're going to choose gain capital. If you don't have gain capital in there, then you're running the wrong version of Sierra chart. All right, that's why we have to go back to that prior version. You're going to come in here, choose prod gain futures, put in your username, put in your password, put in your account number. Okay, you will likely get this. You want to say yes to this. Okay. Okay. Once the connection has been made, once you've done that, you come in here and you make sure you're connected to your data feed. All right. Again, if you go to data trade service settings, that's going to bring up that window that you just entered your password, your number in, and all that. You're going to have this green right here. That means you're connected. Okay, so now we are connected. You're going to want to go here. I think, yeah, not that one. This one right here. Go to Edit, Translate Symbols to Current Service. Click on that. Okay, now I think that part is done. So now I should be able to go here and go to open a trading DOM. Come in here and connect to, say, the ES. And we're in the March contract and do open trading DOM. Alright, so here's the DOM. This is what it looks like. So it's all connected right here. But I want to show you one more thing now. Okay, this has got it connected and this is what the default DOM looks like. But I'm going to take it a step further for you. Alright? Hold on a minute. Well, first let me show you one more thing. You can go to File and Open Chart. You can create a new chart if you want to. I'm not going to do that part right now. What I'm going to do is open a chart book. You could create a new chart book, but I'm going to give you guys a chart book. Let me just show you what that's like. Hold it. Okay, so I had emailed myself all these files. All right. Now what they are, these are DOMs that exist within that chart book. And these things right down here are all the different brackets that I have created, pre-created. All right. When you get these files and you download them, they need to go into here. They need to go to C, Sierra chart, data. You need to put them all right in there. Okay, I'm going to put them all in there right now. Okay, so I think I've downloaded most of the files. So now what you want to do, once you've got them into that folder, that Sierra chart data folder, then come here to File and go to Open Chart Book. And the one that I stuck in there was called tiq.cht. Open that guy up. And when you do, it's going to have some charts in here like this. Now the charts aren't really that important. What is important are the DOMs. Okay, because I had created some DOMs for you with the help of one of our other partners. And this is what the DOM looks like. Just like the DTPro DOM. To put a trade on. Now, there's one thing you have to do. When you have this, do attach trade window. And once you're in here, I have this preset for 10 contracts for me, but you can click on 1 to set that. You have all your brackets are already preset in here. Those are some of those other files that we downloaded. So it depends what market you're on. This is the Russell, so you want a 9 range. I'm sorry, the Russell, you want a 20 range. Sorry. I don't have it in there. Okay, well, the Russell, you're going to want that 20 range. But I'll create one for you. We'll just go with the 9 range on the Russell then. And then to get rid of this, to get this off of the side of the chart like that, on the side of the DOM, just undo it like that. Also, if you want this to be pinned on top, go to Window and do Always on Top. Okay, that one right there. So it doesn't go away every time you click on something else like that. You go there, put it always on top, and it's always on top. And then you can shrink this up. To trade, to go between live and demo, hit this, undo that, brings you to a live account. Okay, now that's a live account. And then do it again, brings you to a demo account. Okay, it's as simple as that to go between live and demo. So this one is demo, and right now if I put a trade on, it's got 1 is selected for the quantity. So if I go back to the attached thing right here, and I want to do, I had preset that last month. Okay, so put that on 10, and then 10 will show up down here as one of the selections. I'll choose 10, and I'll undo this. You don't have to undo it. You can leave that there if you want, but I like to undo it. And I've got the bracket set up, so if I right click, there's my bracket. All right, there's the stop, there's the target. That's all you have to do. You can move this all around if you want. And to get rid of those, that is inside that window again. Go back here to the attached. Hit this means menu. Click on that. Right here, confirmations. Undo the confirmations. Okay. I can make that go away again. It doesn't actually go away. It just goes over to well, for me, it goes to another monitor. It goes over here. But see right now, I can put that on. No confirmations. I can move it around, just like with DTPro. Move it around. And so all of this stuff is one mouse click. One mouse click to put it on, just like DTPro. One mouse click to take it off. All right. All that stuff is the same. If I want to just drop it here on the green, like I've been doing, I click there and it just entered me in right there. I'm in. That's it. It's as simple as that. Right click on this. I didn't put the break even thing on here yet, but I will put a break even thing on there. So it'll have a little thing up there that says go to break even. Right now, we'll just do flat and cancel, get us out of the trade. And that's it. That's all you have to do. All right, so hopefully I managed to get this done in under 12 minutes. All right, I'm hoping that wasn't too convoluted. I was able to walk you through the steps without having you see me tumble around with everything. But this is it. Start to finish, this is installed. I didn't have anything installed on this computer, and now I have Sierra Chart installed on this computer that looks and works just like DTPro. Okay, that is going to be it. Thank you all. If you have any questions, email support@cfrn.net or support@mytradingiq.com. All right, thanks guys.